Look, Pam, I've done everything I can for these clients. We even wrote an offer on a house that was listed at $740,000, and we wrote it for $800,000. These people, they're just unlucky.
Well, unlucky or not, they're still your clients, so you still have to find them a house.
I know.
Give me a call if you need anything.
All right. What is this? The Leprechaun app that gives you advice? Download. Open.
Hello, Alex. Do you seek the luck of the Irish?
I do.
Present your question to Paddy.
I have an unlucky buyer. They just can't find a house in this market right now.
A dog owns nothing but is seldom dissatisfied.
That's not really relevant.
It's no use carrying an umbrella if it's your shoes that are leaking.
I don't even know what to say to that.
A silent mouth is sweet to hear.
Your answers have nothing to do with real estate or finding my clients a house.
Bricks and mortar make a house, but the laughter of children make a home.
Okay, I mean, that's true. You're getting warmer.
Don't break your shin on a stool that's not in your way.
And we're done. And delete app. I guess we're just going to have to find them a house the old-fashioned way. Don't leave your home search to the luck of the Irish. Have the Saenger Group help you find a home. After all, we're going to write awesome contracts, and in the end, regardless of how many times it takes, we're going to find you the perfect place to call home.
Happy St. Patrick's Day!
You've had a pint or two, haven't you, Patty?